Hello, my name is Dr. Nancy Hogan and welcome to CRIM 385. Below are the primary learning objectives that are required for anyone that teaches CRIM 385. If this is your first online course, let me give you a few tips. To do online, you have to be self-motivated, self-directed, and self-initiating. In other words, you are responsible for the material, which requires reading, and then there is a lot of writing in this course. If you do have questions, then email me, and I'm more than happy to help clarify issues. Also, if this is your first time using Blackboard for a course, when we say to open a document, that means to click on the wording, and usually the wording's in color, although there are some black and white links. Also, it is expected at the junior and senior level that you complete your work on time. Therefore, I do not accept late assignments unless you have a legitimate excuse, such as being in the hospital. But you have to let me know that you're having a situation. So email me and let me know what is going on. And then we can decide an alternative date for you to turn it in. If I do allow a late assignment, though, a lot of times there are a deduction of points. Check your email daily. I will send announcements. Other students might be having problems, and I might clarify how to do something. Also, there may be some changes that you need to be aware of. So it's your responsibility to check your Ferris email daily. When you open Blackboard on the left-hand side, that's referred to the menu bar. And as you go through it, this is the primary area where the assignments are located. For example, this PowerPoint is in the first week on the menu. Read your syllabus very carefully, and the most important thing is print the course schedule in color and follow it very closely. Put it somewhere where you're going to see it every day. Some problems that students face is that they have problems where their computer crashed while they were trying to upload assignments. One of the things that you should do is save all your documents in Word on your computer. Then you have a copy. The other thing that is required to take an online course is a reliable computer as well as reliable internet service. Another problem that students have is that when they try to upload their assignment, it won't work, and they wait until it's past the deadline. If this happens and there's some glitch in Blackboard, email me the assignment before it is past the deadline and explain to me what happened when you tried to upload it. Finally, when you're doing a discussion board, always write your post and your responses in Word and then cut and paste them into the discussion board. The discussion board doesn't allow you to save a draft, and sometimes in the middle of a discussion board it disappears. So you don't want to spend all your time writing in the discussion board because there's a chance to lose it. So cut and paste and then insert it into Blackboard is the best way to do the discussion board. Do not upload the document. We want to see the words. When we talk about homework assignments, because everything's online and I cannot reiterate what you read your directions carefully. Make sure you understand what is required, and then you have to manage your time so that you can complete all the components by the due dates, and that includes reading. If you have questions or you're unsure of something, please email me and ask. I read my email several times a day, except on Sundays or if I'm driving. Due dates normally are Saturday by 6 p.m. Discussion boards are usually due. The initial post is Thursdays at 6 p.m. and then responses are due Saturday at 6 p.m. Check your schedule for actual due dates. Finally, if you have any questions about the course, email me. Or if you're on campus, stop by my office hours. For technical questions, call TAC because I don't know that much about how computers work. They offer during the fall and spring semesters 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I've called on Sundays at 11 o'clock and gotten a response. So don't be afraid to try. Ultimately, your criminal justice students, we expect you to be of the highest integrity, which includes honesty. So not only is it expected you try to do your best work, but collaboration is only allowed for group assignments. Make sure you read the syllabus and the policy on academic dishonesty. One of the things I must stress is because everything is written in this course, read closely so that you know you understand all the directions. Last but not least, online learning offers you a different kind of experience. Take your time and enjoy yourself. And if you have any questions or you have any comments, please feel free to email me.